Most creators think they need millions of followers, viral views, or brand deals to make real money online. That's false. One creator I work with made around 15K from one digital product launch in a month without being a massive celebrity, and the reason it worked had nothing to do with luck. It worked because the product was perfectly aligned with the audience, and in this video I will break down exactly how we find the product idea, how we launch it, and the biggest mistake most creators make when trying to sell online. It all starts with a cold email.
Cold email.
Cold email.
Cold email.
Cold email.
Cold email. Cold email.
Cold email.
Cold email.
I found this creator because something about his content stood out immediately. He had a natural physics, a real experience, and a strong trust with his audience. But the biggest thing, his audience clearly want the same result he already achieved. That's important because most creators trying to sell random product. This product was directly connected to his identity, his audience, and his experience. That became the breakthrough. So basically, I emailed him and basically say you read the complete email. A lot of people tired of fake influencer, unrealistic body standard, and stereotype culture. People want realistic transformation now, and research around creator trust show audience increase by from creator they see as authentic and relatable, especially in health and fitness. So instead of making a random course, we focus on natural physics transformation. That align change everything. Then I sent him a long video, and honestly, this is where the most people fail. Most people pitch service. I preach understanding. I explain why his audience actually wanted, why the market exists, and why he was perfectly positioned for it. That's the difference. People don't buy product, they buy lead transformation. And I do that in a long way very perfectly. Before building anything, we validate the idea first. This was a critical. We asked, does this product naturally fit the audience? And the answer was yes. That's why I keep saying the biggest digital product don't feel forced. They feel obvious. And creator economy trends show niche focused product consistently outperform broad generic offer because audience trust specificity. After the idea we finalized and we both agree to make the digital product. We handle everything like script positioning, product structure, ebook resources, launch system. The creator mainly focus on recording videos, adding personal story, and giving us lot of feedback. That's it. And honestly, that's another huge misconception creator have. They think digital product requires massive complexity, giant team, endless work. It's not true. The process become much easier, the idea is aligned, the audience is clear, and the positioning makes sense. The 21-day build up. Then we spent around 21 days building anticipation necessarily, no fake urgency, no scammy tactics. Like in 7 days, we launch a digital product with creator and make that amount of money. And this is not real, bro. If you respect creator, then you understand his audience, show the transformation clear, reinforce trust, position the creator correctly. That's part matter a lot because his audience buy when trust is high and transformation feel believable. Not someone randomly drop a link and people buy. Not like that work. That's why reason we see the result was completely good. Then we launch and within around a month the product generate around 15K dollar. Yeah, bro. And honestly, the biggest lesson was not the money. The biggest lesson was this: small creators are massively underestimate how much value already exists inside their audience. You see the screenshot of 15K in a month. Most creators think I need more followers. No, a lot of creators need better alignment, clear positioning, and strong understanding of their audience. That's the real game now. Because the creator economy is shifting from attention only to trust plus ownership. And reports show more creators are moving toward own revenue system instead of relying only on sponsorships. If you are a creator, watch this. Don't ask what random product can I sell. Ask what transformation already exists inside my audience. That answer change everything. And if you are a creator with 10K follower or more, a strong niche and want help build digital product aligned with your audience, you contact us. Here is my email. Let's build something real. The creator winning right now are not building random business or random product. They are turning audience trust into asset, and that shift is only getting bigger.